Alright, boys and girls, we got ourselves one of these little quick connects because this thing is leaking like a sieve. So we're going to try this out. Now, I will warn you, it came with 4 of these. I have looked at everything. I've seen it put together. I don't think you actually use these. I think these are just backups that replace the little black one inside here. So if this starts leaking, you've got extras. That's all it is. Easy peasy. We are going to hook up this bad boy here. You can tell this is the one with that little spout sticking out. You cannot connect them in the other direction. Then you're going to take your hose. We are going to go ahead and attach that other piece to this end. Come on, get on there. There we go. Make it nice and tight. And from now on, when you need to switch the hose, you just go ahead and pull down on that, connect it, and there we go. And now we're going to see if it doesn't leak when I turn it on. We're going to completely ignore the fact that this is covered in a spider web and pretend I can do this without screaming like a little girl. Let's see if I can give this a little extra twist. There we go. That's better. Now you can see on mine, it's dripping a little bit from the top. That has nothing to do with the connector. But I'm not swapping out this whole spigot. This house was built in the 60s. To be fair, I'm kind of surprised it's only dripping that much. But that did fix the issue. And then, of course, if you need to move this to a different place, pull down on that, and it slides right off. And again, you do have to pull on it to reconnect. And we're not spraying water everywhere anymore. Perfect. As I ended up using one of those rings, I took out the ring that was inside the other end of the hose, swapped it out with one of the ones that came with the quick connect, and then that ended up stopping the leaking on both ends. Hope you enjoyed it.